Kitty Cry Style, and today I'm gonna be doing a makeup tutorial. I haven't done one of these makeup tutorials in so long. Excuse all the noise in my background. Got the AC blowing, the kids crying. Okay, so don't forget to thumbs this video up. Already go ahead and throw it up. You ain't even got to see the video yet because y'all already know I done came here with the rollers. So you know it's gonna be bomb, it's gonna be lit. Y'all just know I'm about to do something big because I got the big rollers in my head. Ow. I gotta get bad, okay? I got to get bad. I'm tired of looking busted in quarantine. It's time for me to look good, okay? I gotta look like a bad. Oh, and I do have a Fashion Nova haul coming up after this video. I don't know exactly when I'm gonna upload it. Probably like a day or two after I upload this one. Enough of my yapping. Let's get into this video.
Okay guys, so right here I'm just shaping up my brows with the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. I did my brows off camera, and let me tell y'all something. If I ain't going nowhere to show up and show out, I just be throwing these eyebrows on, y'all. I ain't even gonna cap. I just be throwing these eyebrows on. And right here I'm just blending, doing a lot of blending out that concealer and laying the powder down so I can do the shadow. Juvia's Place. I love this palette, and this is such a pretty color too. I love to put this on my outer crease. I'm just gonna brush that all over, get all up in there. Using this pretty color right here, I'm just going to put that in my crease. I'm gonna pack it first and then blend it out. With no extra product, I'm just going to take that brush that I use for my outer crease to blend it all seamlessly together. Okay, so right here I'm just going to do a little partial cut crease, not a full cut crease, just a, you know, just enough to make them say pretty color right here. I'm just going to dab on the outer parts of my lid, such a pretty color, and build it up. Using this peachy color right here, I'm just going to take this all over the lid with my Morphe brush. I forgot the name of it, the numbers. Taking this color right here to my inner corners because, you know, I gotta have that little razzle dazzle right there, you know. This Tatcha primer is so freaking dope. It's so good. I put on a lot, and I shouldn't have done that because it made my foundation look extra light. So you might not want to go in like I did with that Tatcha primer. Okay, so right here I'm just going to use my Laura Mercier powder to set that concealer, you know, because I don't want to look muddy. I want to look fresh. This is my favorite part of makeup right here. I wish you can just walk out with it just like this. It's just so cute. Using the NYX Vivid Bright eyeliner, I just went right on top of that black eyeliner off camera. And guys, please excuse my lighting. It's getting lighter and darker. I'm using natural light, and that's because my ring light is broke. Using my favorite blush in the world, the Chanel blush. I can't say the name of it, it's too hard, so we're just gonna call it the Chanel blush. And highlighting my brow bone, my nose, all that good stuff. Now right here I'm using the Mountain Powder by Nars, just to give it a little extra, you know, highlight underneath my eyes. And I almost forgot to do the eyeshadow underneath my eyes, so I just used the outer crease shadow for underneath my eyes, and that's it.
Baby,